What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back once again with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. Now in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the brand new 2019 MacBook Pro. Now this is the entry model, the one which is currently retailing for around $12.99. It's around £1,300, $1,300, same once again with the euros. Now I am expecting it to be arriving anytime soon, so hopefully it gets here before it starts to rain. Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah. Just comes. So this right here, we are going to be unboxing this beauty, and then we're going to see what its performance is like, especially when compared to the last generation that it's replacing. So without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, with the introduction of this new base model MacBook Pro, it means that from now on, every single MacBook Pro that you look at will start off with a quad-core processor. And of course, when you start looking at the 15-inch models, you then start looking at a Hexa or an octa-core processor. Now the model that I'll be unboxing today comes with a 1.4 GHz quad-core i5, which can turbo boost up to a speed of around 3.9 GHz. And of course, with the introduction of this new MacBook Pro model, it means that all MacBook Pros going forward will feature the touch bar. Now if you guys are interested in seeing my full and in-depth review of this MacBook Pro, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to the side of it to be notified when I upload that video. But that's enough self-promotion. How's about we open up the box and see what actually comes included with the new base model MacBook Pro. After removing the first half of the box, we do get our first look at the MacBook Pro, which is sitting front and center. Now placing that off to a side, we're actually able to take a closer look at what other things come included in the box. And the first thing to be included is of course your Designed by Apple in California documentation. Now this will give you a quick start guide with a general overview on the ports and how to set up your new MacBook Pro. Secondly, you'll find some regulatory information in both English and French, followed up by details on your 1-year Apple limited warranty. And last but not least, your 2 plain white Apple stickers. So the next item to be included with your new MacBook Pro is the 61-watt USB-C power adapter. Now this power adapter can be modified depending on where you're traveling to. So if you are traveling to a different country, you can swap the plug out. Alternatively, you can also install an extension cable to help extend the reach from 2 meters to 4 meters. And the final item to be included with the new MacBook Pro is your power cable. Now this cable is a USB-C cable which has an approximate length of around 2 meters. And the beauty of it being a USB-C cable is not only can it be used to charge up the MacBook Pro, it can also be used to transfer data to and from said MacBook Pro. So then guys, that has been it for today's video. If you did enjoy the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here or if you are interested in seeing the full and in-depth review of the MacBook Pro, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to the side of it to be notified when I upload my next video. If you have got any questions, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section. Alternatively, you can hit me up on my social media. Links can all be found down below in the description section. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.